a tissue box. Where like her two favorite stuffed animals, a purse, a game controller, like a what is that?
Fidget spinner.
Oh my god. Yeah, and then she has like a shovel for some reason.
A shovel for burying people.
Okay, that's weird.
She likes burying people.
Oh, really? On a Saturday? Jumping Gigawatts? The singing competition is today! I have to get ready! My lucky necklace and my lucky bow are ready to go. Still have to go to gym this morning. Oh, come on, eat up. Oh shoot, Maddie and Jocelyn are here. I have to go.
Hi, Pam.
Are you ready to go to the gym? Yeah, totally. The bag is just gonna float over here with her. Okay guys, I need to come back soon because I have to take a shower and go to singing auditions. Oh, you're going to that singing challenge? Cool, I heard you're gonna be on television.
I'm gonna go buy tickets to see it.
Dan, I bet you'll see me there. Let's go guys. Mr. Bernie, I'm ready for my workout.
Alright, glad you can make it. Let's go. Okay, so today, Peyton, we're going to start on the treadmill.
Okay.
Maddie and I are gonna go work out somewhere else. See you later.
You will jog for 20 minutes at 0.2 miles per hour. I'll see you in 20 minutes. I'm gonna go do my weights.
Here we go. Walter, so next is weights. Come on. Walter. Come on, Walter.
Oh, come on.
Ugh, I see somebody saw Walter.
Can't help it. He's so dreamy.
Okay, well, get up. Next, we're doing weights.
Weights?
God, I'm thirsty.
Did you forget your bag?
Sorry, I got distracted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I should reward myself with a donut. No, spring. Too much carb. Destroy these donuts. Oh, I can't run. Oh, yummy. Ah.
Ugh, look at that fat lady. She thinks she's gonna lose weight, but she keeps eating donuts and junk food.
Yeah. So gross.
Disgusting. Wait, stop it. Wait, oh! Stop. Give me that freaking carrot. Oh. Whoop, that's enough for today. Good job, Baba. Nice, what a loser.
Okay, you're gonna start with the weight balls and you're gonna do 5 minutes. Then you're gonna go to the regular weights. Keep it at 15 pounds. Do that for about 6 minutes. And I'll be back.
Okay. Okay, so you're gonna start with the weights and then you're gonna do a weight ball each for about 5 minutes.
Thank you.
I'll be back.
Hi, Peachy. Are you there?
Hi.
Oh, okay. You're not there. So I guess you're working out here too?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I come here every Friday.
Keep it from now on. We come in here every Friday. Oh, do you usually come in the morning like this?
Most times I come in the afternoon, and I come here rarely,
Okay,
like once a month.
cool. Good job,
having a
guys.
workout,
Good job,
guys. Thank you.
I have to go, okay? I'll be here next Friday.
Put it in.
I gotta go. I need plenty of water.
Ding dong.
I don't even know if the camera heard that, but that sounded so weird. Wait.
Interrupt our stomach's conversation. They're communicating.
It's stuck in there. Oh, come on. Eat up. No.
You are going to jog to the taco stand.
Tacos. Donuts.
Oh, wait. Oh.